How to get started with AuctionGate. Step 1. Account Setup. Go to auctiongate.io and open the Accounts page in the left-hand menu. Click Add Account and select the auction type: Copart, Insurance Auto Auctions, or Mannheim. Specify which commission applies to this account. Enter your buyer number, login, and password for the auction. Choose the states where this account can bid or select all locations. Save. Done. The account is connected. Lots will start syncing automatically. This can take from 10 to 15 minutes. Step 2. Creating your first user. Go to the Users tab. This is where you add employees or clients who will place bids. What to do? Click Add User and enter the user's name. Set a login and password. These are the credentials for everyday work. The employee will use them to sign in to the extension and the mobile app. In the Accounts block, select the primary accounts the user will bid from. If needed, add extra accounts for restricted states. Set the limits: the maximum bid amount and the maximum number of won lots. Allow or disable pre-bid and live bid. Save. Done. The user has been created. You're already in the home stretch of the setup. Step 3. Creating an office and configuring the access hierarchy. Go to the Settings section. This is where the office structure is built and the chain of responsible managers is configured. What to do? Open the Offices section. Click Create Office, choose a name, for example, Main Office, and save. Then go down to the Employees section. Click Add Employee and create the Supervisor role. This is the manager of a specific office or branch who sees all operators of their office and their sub-bidders. Next, create the Operator role. This is the manager for specific sub-bidders. They only see their own clients. Done. Now go back to the Users tab from Step 2 and open an Employees card. In the Offices and Employees block, assign the employee to the right office and manager. Save and repeat this action for every user you have added. Excellent. The basic structure is built. The first auction account is connected, a user with limits has been added. The first office is created, and the team is assigned to the responsible managers. Following the same principle, you can now easily connect all your clients and their employees and safely scale your business with AuctionGate.